Question number 12. Okay. The graph shows the display variation with time t of the VT graph is shown. Okay. Undergoing SHM. At what velocity does the displacement from the mean position takes a maximum positive value? So the moment you say SHM, draw a pendulum first. Okay. Wherever it is, draw a pendulum first. Okay. This is your pendulum over here. What is he asking? At which velocity does the displacement from the mean position? Now you see, what is the velocity? See, now when they say at t equal to 0, v was 0. Where did the pendulum start? And that too, v was negative over here. The pendulum would have started here, right? Because as t progresses, what is happening to velocity? Velocity is negative. So if this side is positive, this side should be negative. So therefore, the pendulum is now trying to retrace its path like this. As it comes at this point, where is this point? This point is the point A. I'll write the point A here. Okay, and then when it comes to point B, where is point B? This is your point O, this point A. Point B once again is at this point. That means the velocity is 0 at this point. Then once again, when it comes over here, what's happening? Velocity is becoming positive and reaches point C. So which means it's coming back like this, and it's becoming C here. Okay, velocity is becoming point C here. And then what happens next? So after that it goes to point D. After that it goes to point D at this point over here. Now what is being asked? At which velocity? Okay, at which velocity? We know what are the velocities. Does the displacement from the mean position take a maximum positive value? Where is the maximum positive value? This side is positive, this side is negative. Which is the maximum positive value? Point D. So therefore D is the right answer, right? No equation, nothing. You should just compare. The moment you say SHM, compare that with the pendulum, easily you can get an answer. Okay.